Yeah, welcome back to SDS Tutorial Center Silverlight Digital Solutions. We are still teaching you how to make use of Microsoft Word, uh, how to learn Microsoft Word that you are going to use in your offices, your companies, organizations, schools, institutions, and for your own personal professional use. So we would like to let you know that we have a master class booklet, a structured guide to computer learning that can actually help you. It's a self-paced learning that you can use to master this tutorial. So today we're going to work on line and paragraph spacing, text borders, and text indentation. So we have learned a lot already. We have done most of this: text appearance, font style, font size, superscript, subscript and superscript, text effect, font color, change case, bullets, numbering, alignment, shading. We have done a lot already, and we're still going to do a whole lot more. We've also done cut and copy and paste. So today we're going to learn line and paragraph spacing, text borders, and then text alignment. So you should pay good attention, because at the end of our course, we are going to do a project to test how you have learned what you have learned so far. So let's start off immediately. Line spacing is the amount of space between two lines. Like you can see, this is the first line here, this is the second line, this is the third line. You can notice the space. So how do you add or remove line spacing? You have 3 lines already typed. You can highlight them. You can do Control A. Control A is highlight all. So you go to this is line spacing here. You can see, click on the triangular marker. You will see the line spacing. You see 1.0, 1.1.5. You see the preview. You see the text reflecting the various sizes as I hover over them. So this is 3.0. Like most of the university projects, you see 2.0 line spacing. So that's, if you choose 1.0, that is the normal line. You can choose 1.5, you can choose 3. So that's it. It's simple. You can return it to 1.0. Okay, you can go for more options, line spacing options. That is where you will now see indentation, line, multiple line spacing. We are using 3. You can already see it here. See where I am. So, and all that. So I'll cancel this. Let me return it back to 1. Notice that it's already still highlighted. The text, the 3 lines are still highlighted. I'll click on 1. I hope you learned this. It's simple. So paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the space between the amount of space between 2 paragraphs. Like you will understand this if I add multiple text to this paragraph to actually make it look like. You see, this is still 1 paragraph. Let me copy it, Control C, told you that. Copy, Control V, paste. Okay, now you see the amount of space between these 3 lines is the line spacing, and they are still 1 paragraph within 1 paragraph. Okay, but once the enter key is pressed, the paragraph is created. This space here is the paragraph space. So if you want to increase the amount of space here, that is the paragraph spacing. So you highlight, you go to this area, add paragraph spacing, You see, remove paragraph spacing. You see it's gone. Add it. Notice that the line is expanding. Remove. You see it's gone. Add. Remove. So if you want to remove, you click on it. See the spacing here has vanished. But if you want to add it, you go back, add paragraph, space before paragraph. So it's simple. So let us also look at text border. Text border. It's just a line, a block of line around a text or a paragraph. You can highlight a paragraph. Look at the feature here. Here, click at the triangular button. You can choose bottom border. You can see the line there at the bottom. You can choose top, the line there at the top. You can see left at the left. You can see right. You can see no border. You can see all borders. You see how the text is rounded, the paragraph is rounded. Outside border. This one will add inside. Okay. Outside. This is no border. Okay, I'll choose outside. Say it. I can also choose any of these ones. So this is outside border. Notice that the border has been rounded. So I can also add border to this. I'll highlight it. Go here. I'll choose outside border. You see. I can add to this. I'll go to this place. Outside border. You see, so that is if I want to remove it. If I want to remove this one, I'll highlight the text. I'll go back to this place. I click on no border. It's gone. Highlight this one. I can go on to highlight all of them at once. I click on no border. You see, it's easy. It's not difficult. So I thank you so much for today's lesson. Today you have been able to learn how to add line spacing and how to add paragraph spacing and how to remove paragraph spacing. You have also been able to learn border, text border, to add either left, top, bottom, round or outside the text or the paragraph that's highlighted. So what we're going to learn now is indentation. Indentation is adding distance to the text from the margin, and when you do that, you have reduced the area of the page where text can be entered. So the more you indent your text, the more you reduce the area of the page where you can type. That is, the more you increase the blank area of your page. So you can use tab key to add indentation to a paragraph. So if I want to add indentation to this paragraph, I'll place my cursor before the first letter, the first text or letter in the paragraph, and I press my tabulation key. I've added 0.5 inch indentation. If I add extra indentation, I've added 1 inch, added 1.5. I can return it. When I use backspace, I can return the indentation. Okay, so you can also, if you want to add it through this button, you highlight the paragraph, you go to this option, you go to line and the spacing options. From there, you're also going to see indentation, left indentation. If you increase it, observe this preview here. I'm increasing, the whole of the 3 lines will move by 1.5 inch. That's what I want. I'll click on OK. Notice it now, because I highlighted the whole of the line, the 3 lines. So let me return it or change it to another. I can return it to 0. You see, notice the preview. You can use this preview to monitor what you're doing. Click on OK. It's returned. So I can also do right indentation. This indentation is usually used when you want to make a quotation in your document. Like here, I want to quote somebody. If we are always trying to be normal, how can we ever know how amazing it can be? So I'm just quoting, let's Maya Angel, correct. So now I want to indent this to be at the very center. I will highlight it, this place. I'll go to spacing options. I will indent left by 1.5 inch, and I will indent right by same inch. Click on OK. You see? So I can go on to reduce the font. I'm doing a bit of practical here, and then I can go and put it in italics. So you notice something here, the use of indentation is so beautiful. So thank you for listening, and this is coming from the desk of Silverlight Digital Solutions SDS Tutorial Center. My name is Raphael Chuku. I thank you.